Hi everyone, so I'm here to discuss one problem in chain rule for differentiation. Okay, so the problem given is if y is equivalent to 4t minus 8 over t plus 4 and t is equivalent to x squared minus 4, find dy over dx, or we get the derivative of your y with respect to x. Take note that the given function, we have two given functions. We have ang tawag natin dito sa algebra is composite function. So we have a function of y with respect to t, a function of t with respect to x. And we're asked to get the derivative of your y with respect to x. Okay, so we actually have two methods in getting your derivative here. Okay? So yung first method natin, we get the derivative of your y with respect to t. Okay, ito yon. We get the derivative of your y with respect to t. So next step is we get the derivative of your t with respect to x. Ito yon. And then the third step is we multiply yung first saka second to get the derivative of your y with respect to x. dt over dx. Okay? Yung second method naman natin is we substitute your y. Ito po, we substitute the function of y with respect to t with the equivalent function of your t to make it in terms of x. Okay, so yung y natin, gagawin na natin siyang in terms of x. So you substitute your t with the value of your, substitute the value of your t with x squared minus 4. And then directly, pag in terms of x na yung y natin, we get the derivative of your y with respect to x. Okay? So let's show how these two methods are used in getting your derivative. Okay, so let's have the first method. Okay, so first, we get the derivative of your y with respect to t. Okay, so since we have 4t minus 8 over t plus 4, we apply derivative of a quotient. Okay, so sa derivative of a quotient, we copy your denominator, t plus 4, times derivative ng 4t minus 8 is 4. Okay, minus, copy the numerator, times derivative ng denominator, t plus 4 is 1. Okay, all over square ng denominator. Okay, so simplifying, we'll have 40 plus 16 minus 40 plus 8 all over square of the quantity t plus 4. Okay, so simplifying your numerator, matatanggal to. And then 16 plus 8 will give us 24 over t plus 4 squared. Okay, so after you finish getting the derivative of your dy over dt, I suggest i-express nyo na ang function nyo in terms of x. Okay, in terms of x kasi ang pinaka-final output natin should be in terms of x. Okay, so again, we express your dy over dt in terms of x. So how do we do that? Ininti po, itong t natin dito, we substitute that by its value, x squared minus 4. Okay, so mangyayari, that becomes 24 over, okay, x squared minus 4 plus 4 squared. So pinalitan na natin t by x squared minus 4 because we want this derivative to be in terms of x. So simplifying your denominator, okay, kung tatanggalin po natin yung parenthesis natin, matatanggal yung negative 4 plus 4, matitira is x squared na lang. Okay, so this becomes 24 over x squared. Yan, kasi matatanggal itong negative 4 plus 4. Or we have 24 over x raised to 4. That's your dy over dt in terms of x. Okay, next step po, we get naman the derivative of this one. So, inuna natin to kanina and then the next one is this. So, derivative of your dt with respect to x, derivative ng x squared minus 4 is 2x. Okay. And then, third step po natin is we get the derivative of your y with respect to x. So, just multiply these two derivatives. So, dy over dt in terms of x would be 24 over x raised to 4 times derivative ng dt over dx. Okay. And then simplifying, okay, makaka-cancel out yung x natin. So this becomes 48 over x cubed. So this is your dy over dx. Okay, what about the second method? Okay? Okay, sa method B naman, directly i-express na kaagad natin yung y with respect to x by substituting this to your t. Okay? So, mangyayari, okay, di ba, originally it is 40 minus 8 over t plus 4. So, palitan nyo yung t ng x squared minus 4. So, this becomes 4 x raised x squared minus 4 minus 8 over x squared minus 4 plus 4. Okay? So simplifying, you have 4x squared minus 16 minus 8. This becomes x squared 4 plus 4. Okay, so simplifying, matatanggal to. Okay, so what we have now is 4x squared minus 24 over x squared. Okay, sulat natin dito because this can still be simplified. So since we have common po yung denominator, so this is 4x squared over x squared. Distribute lang natin yung common denominator niya. So we have 4 minus, okay, tama ba? 4 minus 24 over x squared. So this is now your y. Okay? In terms of x na siya. Okay, from here, kunin natin derivative. Okay? So ito, parang dalawang steps lang ito. And then, in-express lang natin siya in terms of x sa first step. And then second step, we get the derivative. So dy over dx. So derivative ng 4 is 0. Okay, by the way, we can express this as, task natin yung x squared, negative 2, para madaling makuha yung derivative. Okay, so let's continue. Derivative ng 4 is 0. Derivative ng negative 24x raised to negative 2 is negative 2, 24. Okay, x raised to negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Okay, so simplifying further, we'll have negative times negative 2 that becomes positive times 24 is 48x raised to negative 3. Or, ang final answer po natin is 48x cubed, which is the same lang po dun sa first method. Okay? So it's up to you whether you use method A or method B. Whatever is more convenient, mas easier po sa inyong maintindihan or gawin. Okay? So that's it. This is getting the derivative using chain rule for differentiation. Thank you for listening.